One of the things I learned quickly in riding motorcycles is that the left turn situation in an intersection is probably one of your most dicey situations, and I would find myself flipping my high beams and my low beams to try to get the driver's attention so he wouldn't turn left in front of me. I did notice that when I did that, I would see a reaction from them, and that was my aha moment, if you will, to try to create a system that would do that for me, something that I could not have to look down and reach for. So I created Lightning Strike, this anti-collision system. Okay, this is our Gen 1, our first system. Basically, it's a system that's not on all the time. You use it when you need it, at any precarious position or situation where you feel like you need to increase your visibility to the driver. A simple press of a thumb button on your left hand grip is all you have to do. When you press the button, you'll see these lights on the front of the motorcycle that wig-wag back and forth. That is the secret sauce about what we do, and that gets the driver's attention. You can shut that system off at any time. You can leave it on however long. We don't recommend that you have it on all the time. Save the excitement for the moment needed. You'll see that there are lights on the left and right side of the motorcycle. If you don't have these engine guards, also known as crash bars, we have systems that can mount pretty much anywhere on the front of the motorcycle. We do recommend two mounts with two lights so that you get that wider approach. When you turn your headlights on, you'll also see there's a triangle effect that is very effective at getting the attention of a distracted driver. With cell phones and people distracted, this is more important than ever at survival. Yes, flashback is a system that runs all by itself automatically. It's what I would say a system that's passive. You don't have to activate it like you would the front system. Every time you hit your brake, and I'm going to simulate a brake activity right now, you'll notice that the brake lights come on, and so does this third light, flashback. I'll do that right now. Now I'm still holding my brake, but the flashback light automatically timed out by itself. I'll repeat that. I'm going to apply my brake. The goal of flashback is to momentarily get the driver's attention, but then it also times out so it doesn't become a distraction and create other issues. So that works all by itself. Simplicity is key for a lot of users, and not everybody's real in tune with complicated wiring and things like that. So we wanted to come up with a very simple solution. This is an actual peel and stick, similar to some of the cameras that you see on motorcycles. It's got batteries inside the system. The button, which is the sister to that button, is a transmitter. So it sends a signal to the lights. The lights will come on automatically. You can see that they're all by themselves. These guys mount on the front of the motorcycle too, and they shut off automatically. There are some features about the installation that I would like to point out as well. This would be a mount, I don't know if we get a close-up, but this is a mount that lives on the motorcycle itself, right like this one would, vertical or horizontal. The nice thing about this mount is it's a tape-on situation. You can also screw it on if you would like to, but our super tape has a pretty good sticking characteristic. If you wanted to remove your lights for charging, you would simply, I'll just demo real quick, you would just slide it in. It's a quick disconnect. This piece stays on the bike, and the light module actually comes off in your hand. The way you recharge these is just by a contact charger. There are no ports. It's all just through a contact charger. The benefit of that is you don't have any water, grease, or oils or dirt getting into the charge port like you would see on your cell phone. So you charge them up and you can reinstall them. If you're on a long trip, you can have an extra set in your bike and just switch them out real quick. So it's really quick and easy. It's a simple solution for the equivalent effectiveness of Gen 1.
So this bolt product that you're seeing here is a prototype, just a working model that was done to be ready for the AIMEXPO. So we're looking at a release of early 2019 for the Bolt. For more information, see all this in working on the road, go to the website at www.getlightningstrike.com.
Don't forget to comment and like this video, and if you want to stay up to date with all of our great videos and stories, hit the subscribe button and follow us on social media at CycleSports TV.